Welcome back, my viewers and subscribers. So today we're gonna cook some brown stew chicken and make some fried rice as well, guys. So right now I'm washing the chicken with some lime and vinegar. Yeah, right here, guys. Washing the chicken with this, and then afterwards I'm gonna show you how to season beautiful brown stew. Yes, guys, we're gonna get into it right after this intro. We have some garlic. So what I'm doing right here, guys, grate the garlic. We're gonna grate her. You can use maybe, depends on the amount of chicken. See, I got maybe like a half pound of chicken right here. So I'm gonna just use maybe 5 peg of garlic, ginger, grate the ginger. Here we have the onion, Jamaican pepper. I'm gonna use nutmeg. Yes, guys, nutmeg. And I'm gonna grate a scallion, Jamaican Scotch bonnet pepper, and I'm gonna add a little bit of cinnamon. I'm trying something new, guys, and I'm gonna crush the pimento seed. See, guys, right here. Yeah, right now I'm just grating. Pretty much easy, guys. 2 minutes, your grater done. I'm telling you, guys, if you do it like this, delicious. Trust me. Yes, guys, look at it. This is my pimento seed. I crush it, so I'm gonna throw it on it. This is a Jamaican easy spice, all-purpose season. So I'm gonna touch a little bit on it, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna put a little bit of olive oil. Not much, probably a teaspoon. My Caribbean traditional ginger pimento. Add some. Jamaican, we don't do measurement, guys, so don't even watch about that. So we're gonna use some of the all-purpose Maggi season. Not much, guys. You just have to just know the measurement. And here we're using some Maggi chicken season. We're gonna just use a little bit of cinnamon because it's very strong, guys. So just a touch. That's it, guys, and then we're gonna rub it in. We're gonna let that soak for an hour, and then I'm gonna cook it. Yes, guys, so I'm gonna get ready to fry the chicken. So I'm preheating the oil to start frying the chicken, guys. You don't need a lot of oil to fry this. Yeah, so here I have the chicken over here. Yeah, this is the chicken over here. Yes, guys, looking delicious already. And here I already cut up some sweet potatoes, carrots, green bell pepper, red bell pepper, and some tomatoes and onions. So that's gonna make the gravy later on after we fry the chicken. Okay, guys, right now I'm gonna fry the chicken. So in the meanwhile, what you can do, guys, is drop a piece of garlic in the oil and a piece of scallion and a piece of thyme to give the oil some flavor, so when you're frying the chicken, it tastes so good. Now, guys, know that the oil is hot. I'm just drop it in the fried chicken. Look at that, guys. Yeah. Look at that, guys. Looking beautiful, fried. Alright, guys, look at that. That's my seasoning to make the gravy, guys. So I rub it back in where I put the chicken. Look at that. Chicken coming lovely. This guy's coming brown. So you fry it till it's brown. So you take it out, and then we're gonna fry the onions. Look at that. We already fried the chicken till it's brown. So now we're gonna put the season in the pot. Scallion, onion, carrots, red bell pepper, green bell pepper, Irish potatoes, So this is what we're gonna do, guys. Gonna fry that up to make the gravy. Get all that seasoning inside, guys. So we're gonna fry this up, make the gravy. Add some water. Add some braised tomato ketchup. This braised tomato ketchup, guys. Add some braised tomato ketchup. It's finished. We're gonna add some braised sweet and spicy sauce. About a half teaspoon. I'm gonna add some braised fish and meat sauce. Basically that's it, guys. So after this boil down, then I'm gonna put the chicken inside, then let it simmer for like 10 to 15 minutes and turn it off. That's it. Also, guys, I'm gonna squeeze an orange. So I'm gonna squeeze an orange, a little bit of orange juice inside of it, guys, just to give it some flavor. Yes, guys, some orange juice. Squeeze a fresh orange, give it some flavor. Trust me, guys, that will kick the flavor. Oh, guys, look at that. Looking delicious. Yes, guys, I had some okra. I love my okra, guys, so I had some okra. Yes, guys, check that out. Rice and peas, brown stew chicken, check that, guys. See that steam? It's looking beautiful. Lovely, guys. That's brown stew chicken. Please remember to subscribe, comment, share. I'm out.